everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor with Century 21 Americana. Today, I'm here in North Las Vegas, DR Horton community, Kalea Bay. And today we are going to feature in my channel their two-story home. It's a model home, 1795. It's in low 400s. It's 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. Let's tour inside and check this house, you guys. So welcome to 1795. Standard with this home is a video doorbell and keyless entry. As soon as you get in, you will be greeted with this nice foyer. On the left side, this is the stairs going to the second floor, and right here there is a guest bathroom. And this is the open layout area. It's a very cozy home. Living room right here. It's a nice space, and then you're looking at your modern kitchen. I love this countertop island in the middle. Love the white cabinets. By the way, when you purchase a house in DR Horton, all the stainless steel appliances is included, and also the coverings, which is the blinds, are also included. So let's go check this. There's another storage over here. This is situated underneath the stairs. And this side right here, this is the two-car garage, but they use it as an office, so I cannot show you guys. But I'm gonna show you the walk-in pantry right here. Tons of space. And there's a space over here for your dining table, and then right outside you could see your backyard. This is landscape already, just to show you how it looks. But normally when you guys purchase a home from DR Horton, it's not landscape. Only the front yard is landscape. It's a nice space to relax and unwind at the end of the day. Okay, you guys, let's go to the second floor and check the rest of the house. Again, there is 4-bedroom in this home. Okay, this side right here, this is the first secondary room. It has a standard closet inside. And then another bedroom on this side right here. It also has a standard closet. And right outside, there is a shared bathroom. With a single sink, vanity, and tub and shower combo, you guys. Nicely done. On this side right here, this is another bedroom. Nice space. Also has a standard closet. Very deep. Okay, and now let's go where the primary bedroom. Right before that, I'm gonna show you guys the laundry area. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase a DR Horton home. Nice space. Now let's go to your primary bedroom. Tons of space over here. And right this side, this is the primary bath. It features dual vanity. The other one right here. And this is your walk-in shower. And this side, this is your walk-in closet right here. A decent size. All in all, there's tons of space in this home. Again, this is the 1795. There's 4 bedroom. If you are interested in owning one of the home in Kalea Bay, during your first visit, you have to bring an agent with you that can represent you with the process of buying. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can hit subscribe. You can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. And don't forget to like and share my video. And thank you for watching.